Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply find purchase history in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your Steam profile and go right up corner and go to account details. And now we're gonna see here view purchase history. And now just click on it. And now you can see like everything when you bought whatever you bought. So I can see like, okay, I bought Construct Global Offensive in 2013. So that was a like really interesting buy. And yeah, so that was pretty cool. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.